Yeah. Actually, guys, let's jump to Tesla here. These numbers starting to trickle out right now. The EPS numbers coming in right now at 50 cents a share. That does look like a beat. The street was looking on average for about 45 cents. That's all the numbers we have right now. It's going to take a while to parse through the Tesla release because, of course, they don't follow normal formatting for anything here. But those shares slightly lower in the after-hours trade, 1% down.
Yeah, absolutely. It's going to be interesting to get some of these figures here. It is interesting to see that price targets from the sell side have been rising, even as Tesla's profit outlook really in question. You can see shares now down about 1% here as we start to get some more of these numbers, Tim.
Okay, fourth quarter gross margin, 20.1%. That beat estimates of 17.1%. Fourth quarter operating income coming in above estimates at $1.41 billion. Fourth quarter revenue coming in just shy of $25 billion at $24.9 billion. That was just below estimates. Fourth quarter earnings per share coming in at 24 cents. Versus 66 cents, that's year over year. So that was not an estimate, but 24 cents for fourth quarter EPS. Fourth quarter free cash flow, $1.42 billion. The estimate there was for $1.59 billion.
I mean, to be fair, and just listening to some of our team talk about from the Bloomberg Intelligence team, what you want to hear from Tesla, there's a lot of folks want to hear about self-driving cars, autonomous cars, the taxi, and they also want to hear about robotics because that is seen as the future of this company.
Yeah, free cash flow in the quarter for Tesla, $1.42 billion. That's slightly below estimates. But I want to go back to Katie's point, too, because I think she was referencing a great story that was on the Bloomberg terminal, just about how insane this valuation is. Yes. And the idea that a lot of investors don't think it's insane. This isn't really a bet on cash flow or profitability, at least not in the short term.
Or cars.
It's a bet on, exactly, Tim. It's a bet on these moonshots that we know Elon Musk is great at least advocating for. Whether he actually delivers on them, that's a whole nother question. But he is the consummate salesman. He has focused our attention less on those cars, less on the cash generated from those cars, and more on whether Katie's going to have a humanoid robot to make her omelet in the morning.
Which he did say last week at Davos she would have in the next year.
Yeah, theoretically. I will say, to put it even more directly, I mean, it's a bet on Elon Musk specifically, Elon Musk's ability to sort of engineer those moonshots. You think about the Musk premium in relation to Tesla shares. We've never actually exactly found out what that is, but I mean, you compare Tesla to some of the other car companies out there, it's in just a completely different league, and it has been for years now.
Yeah, it's not even valued as an auto company. On that, investors valuing this report, at least the knee-jerk reaction, now higher by 3.8%. Shares did initially drop on the release, but now shares are up for Tesla 3.8%. Close to 4%.
The company saying that it does plan to invest further in those autonomous robots and the infrastructure for that. It also says that Cybercab, the Semi, and